Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Bhumi Pujan for Ram Mandir on the 5th August 2020, 12:15 hours. Whether it is boon or bane. You know, Ram Mandir Bhumi Pujan updates. It is going to take place on the 5th of August 2020 at 12:15 hours. They are saying that there is Abhijit Muhurat on Wednesday at 12 o'clock. My dear sir, they are making a mockery of astrology. There is no Abhijit Muhurat on Wednesday. It is Rahu Kal. Making a mockery of astrology. Is there Abhijit Muhurat on Wednesday? No, it is not there. It is Rahu Kal. Lagna Nakshatra is Rahu. Moon Nakshatra is Rahu. Moon in Papkartri Yog. Lagna Lord in Mrikshira Nakshatra, the nakshatra of Mars, who is placed in the 6th house. And there are no benefics aspecting the Lagna. So friends, it is a Panchak Yoga. Then Panchak Yoga, it is not good. Panchak Yoga, we all know it is not good. Although there is Siddhi Yoga also because of Wednesday and Dvitiya Tithi, and there is also a Dagda Yoga. And then the Nakshatra is Satabisha, it is on the Trishul, in the Trishul Chakra, it is on the trident, it is not good. The Lagna is Shirshode, it is okay. And the Navamsha is of a benefic Jupiter, but it is the 6th house which is rising. There is Purn Itsal between Mars and Jupiter. So friends, it is not good. Jupiter is 6th lord and Mars is placed in the 6th house. It is aspecting the Lagna and the 9th house. So friends, it is not good. This placement of Mars is not good. It is the 7th lord and the 2nd lord. And the day is Wednesday. It is placed in the Yama of Leo. The Lord is placed in the 10th house, Digbali. It is very good. And it is forming a Raj Yoga because with the 9th Lord. 9th Lord is placed in the 10th house, is very good. But all these same, the other parameters are not conducive. The only thing is that the Nakshatra is Urdamukh. It is good for construction of temples, but it is Charchala. It is movable. And if this nakshatra is used whenever there is some movement required, so we want a fixed nakshatra, Uttara Shada, Uttara Falguni, Uttara Bhadrapad and Rohini are good nakshatras for a fixed job. So Panchak Yoga, friends, I disagree. First of all, there is no Abhijit Muhurat on Wednesday. They are making a mockery of astrology. Then they say some person is saying 32 seconds Muhurta is there. So I am really amazed that what all is happening, playing with astrology. Please read my article. I have written in detail. The moon should not have, the positive parts are the moon should not have Veda in the Sapsalaka Chakra. I have seen that. And then the worst part is that the lunation chart from the 3rd of August to 19th August is an enigmatic one, and we are laying the we are doing the Bhumi Pujan on the 5th of August, and just on the 7th of August moon will have Veda. It will be with Mars, and there will be Veda between the 8 planets, as I have discussed in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra in the lunation chart of the 3rd August. So friends, it is nowhere near an auspicious Muhurta. There are more negatives than the positives. I don't feel it is good. The Dasha, the DBA planets Dasha, Bhukti and Antara are of Rahu, Venus. And Rahu Dasha is for 16 years. I don't want to discuss. It's my research parameter that the Dasha in the Muhurat chart is very important. And I have discussed 2-3 cases already, and I have number of cases where I have seen that the dasha at birth in the Muhurat chart, which is an important one, matters a lot. So friends, I am not very happy with the Muhurat chart of the 12-15 hours, and that's about all. Some noted and stalwart astrologers have also mentioned that this Muhurat is not good, and some of them are just discussing, contradicting it for the sake of contradiction. So friends, I am not happy. Nobody can approve this Muhurta. Then Venus is placed, the sign lord which is rising is Libra, which is the 6th house of Indian foundation chart, and Venus is transiting in the sign Gemini, where it has minimum Ashtak Varga points, and it has been seen that whenever Venus is afflicted and in the sign Gemini, then there is lot of suffering in the country, especially India. So friends, this is not a good Muhurta at all. I would insist that this Muhurta may be changed. If it cannot be changed, then at least you should be prepared for the consequences. So friends, this is all about what I wanted to discuss about the Muhurta of the 5th August 12-15 hours. So friends, best of luck, and see you in the next video. Thank you for listening to me.